Stig. And reveal yourself. No, I don't mean like that. I mean behave yourself. Steady now. Come on, Sheffield. Do you want to sing the Stig? How about you, Gary? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on.